Hey, what's up, YouTube creators? If you're trying to grow your channel but you feel like you're stuck in slow motion, I've got some serious AI magic for you today. Yeah, artificial intelligence isn't just for sci-fi movies. Now, it's your secret weapon for building and growing your YouTube channel. Let's dive straight in. First up, video ideas. AI can seriously help when you've got creator's block. Tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini can whip up video ideas based on what's trending, your channel's theme, or even what your audience is searching for. Just type in, "Give me 5 video ideas about gaming" or "What's trending in tech this week," and bam, you've got inspiration in seconds. Next, let's talk about scripts. Writing a script can be tough, right? But with AI, you can get a solid draft or even a full script in no time. Paste your topic into an AI tool and ask for a script outline or even a catchy intro. You can tweak it to add your own style, but the AI does the boring part super fast. Now, thumbnails. You know thumbnails are everything on YouTube? There are AI tools like Canva or Adobe Express that actually suggest thumbnail designs and even create them for you. You just upload your image, pick a style, and let AI do the heavy lifting. Eye-catching thumbnails? Done in a flash. Editing? Dude, AI is a game changer here. With apps like Descript, you can edit your video just by editing the text transcript. Want to remove all those awkward silences? AI does it automatically. Want to add subtitles? AI generates them in a few seconds. You'll save hours, trust me. Okay, let's say you've uploaded your video. What about titles, tags, and descriptions? AI tools like TubeBuddy and VidiQ analyze what's popping in your niche and help you pick the best keywords, so your video actually shows up when people search. More views, more subs, easy. Analytics sound boring, but AI can even help here. You get smart reports that tell you which videos are working, when your audience is active, and what you should make next. It's like having your own YouTube coach for free. Alright, quick recap: use AI for video ideas, script writing, thumbnails, editing, SEO, and analytics. Seriously, every big creator is using these tools to work faster and smarter. So if you want to boost your channel without burning out, try out some AI magic today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what AI tools you're using. Catch you in the next video.